Hey everybody, this is my intro and my final on the Bandai group build hosted by Munchkin Model and man Dan. I kind of waited till the last minute to do this, but I did have this one, and it came with the kit of the Star Destroyer 2 small scale. I did a little bit of detail painting and did some lights to it, but very easy kit. Most Bandai kits are. I did want to add some detail to it. One thing I couldn't hide is this big line right there, and that's how I get to the battery. So as you can tell, once it comes here, I got two blue LEDs in there to kind of light up the inside of the damage and all that. And I did a lot of dry brushing and weathering details and stuff on it. I don't know if the camera really picks up it well right now, the way it is. I have a green LED in there for where the cannon was, and I have some holes drilled over here with a white LED, and you might see one or two pop up as it's rotating around. I do have the lights on in the room, so that might be hindering some of that, but let me turn the lights off. And see if that helps at all. But the blue light is definitely easy to see. I mean, that's a big opening. But we'll see if you get a little bit of the white ones. If you got it in your hand, you'll actually see more. Yeah, it's really hard to see the green ones on the camera. There you can see some of the white ones. But right now I just got the wires actually attached with a piece of tape onto the battery. So it kind of is not really permanent right now. It looks better in person than on camera because it's so black. But it was a fun build. Been kind of down on kits right now. I have just got the flu, or just getting over the flu, so the last couple days I've been sitting in here trying to do something other than sleep and watch TV, and even that was pretty hard to do. But I ended up getting this one done, and so I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.